So what I'm doing today, yesterday, we went and got the parts to make a table. This is our tabletop. And I stained it. It was just plain wood, and I stained it a pecan gold. Over here, I have the legs hanging up, and they've been stained also. And today, I'm putting on polyurethane. So continuing with my table build, you can see I've marked where my legs are going to be, and those are marked for, these are mounting plates. I'll drill the 4 pilot holes, screw these down, and then I have threaded dowels that go into the end of the leg. And it'll screw into that. Now, full disclosure, I know me, so I already did one just to make sure all this is going to work out. Now I want you to see that down here at the bottom there's a little bit of a gap. As you can see, how the mounting plate is kind of raised. Now if I was a professional at this, which I'm not, and had the tools, which I don't, you could put this on the bottom of your leg and use a router and recess this. But I'm going to be putting some trim boards around that anyway, probably to hide that, or I might just leave it because I'm going to have these angle braces coming off right here and on the other side. So that's what I'm doing now. What I'm doing here, put a nut on there.
You're a nut.
So I can screw it down into the table leg. It's really hard to get started because I drilled the smallest pilot hole I could drill. Okay, and when the nut starts turning, you put another nut on top of it. You turn the top nut and it will butt against the bottom nut and keep screwing the bolt in. See? Called double nutting. A lot of people know about that.
Double nutting. Did you Google this or you just start?
No, I've done this.
You like mechanic work and stuff?
Yeah, mechanic work, rig work.
Double nutting. that's a short right there. Double nutting.
So I got the legs screwed on. Now I'm putting braces on. I pre-drilled them, countersink, all works.